What's up everyone, it's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video. I'm excited to officially introduce you guys to my very own hair growth oil. Yes, this is my very own Stoney Hair Awakening Growth Oil, and I'm so excited to finally introduce it to you guys. I've mentioned it in previous videos, but now I'm finally introducing it to you guys and actually telling you guys about it and giving you guys the benefits of this oil. So first things first, I've been working on this oil for almost a year now, beginning last year in 2020. Around the middle towards the end of last year, the product was finally finished for me to sample, and so I got a sample of it. So this is my sample hair growth oil, my very own hair growth oil that I created. And I was trying it out for a month to see, you know, the results of how much my hair would grow. As you can see in the video here that my hair has grown about a quarter inch, and then it launched around mid-November. I was having inventory problems in the beginning because things were getting delayed due to the pandemic, so I was kind of holding back from promoting. It wasn't fully in stock, so now it's fully in stock and I'm ready for you all to try it. I'm excited for you all to try it. So I worked with the company Pietra, who helped create and come up with the ingredients that are in the product. The ingredients that are in here are some of my favorite ingredients that has helped me on my hair growth journey. There's avocado oil, jojoba oil, rice bran oil, sunflower, olive oil, grapeseed oil, safflower. Why can't I say safflower? Safflower oil. It's pretty much just a blend of all my favorite oils that have hair growing properties to help your hair to grow. There's juniper berry, there's rosemary. Rosemary is the scent. And there's also biotin in here, which I'm mostly excited about. I've talked about biotin in the past and how much biotin can help you grow your hair. And so I was really excited when I was able to put biotin in my hair growth oil, because that to me makes it like the ultimate hair growing oil, something with biotin in it. Another thing that I'm excited about my product is that it's vegan friendly and it's cruelty free. One of the main oils in my hair growth oil is avocado oil. Now I've talked about avocado oil in the past and how much it benefits your hair. Avocado oil is very rich in vitamin E. It's also a moisturizing oil, so it's an oil that will moisturize your hair. Other oils that are in my product include jojoba oil, which is a sealant oil. And so not only are you getting to moisturize your hair, you're also sealing that moisturizer in your hair. And don't forget about your biotin. You have your biotin, which has hair growing properties. So it's recommended that you use the oil at least 3 times a week. I personally use the oil every day on my hair. I use it after I get out the shower. I'll shampoo, condition my hair, and then I'll use an oil. What I used to use before is I would either use almond oil in my hair or I would use coconut oil in my hair. It's an oil you can use throughout the day and at night. It is a light oil and it won't weigh your hair down. And it's easy because the product has a little nozzle up here. You just twist it and you know the oil comes out. Oh, hang on. This is a new bottle. So you gotta make sure you take there's a little silver thing in there. It's sealed for freshness. It has a nice little nozzle at the top, so you just go ahead and put it in your hair like this. You put a couple drops in your hair, and then you can just rub it in. Like I'll just go in and rub it in my hair. If I rub it on my strands, my hair will get a lot softer. If you have hair that's not only dry but also feels hard, rubbing this on your hair will automatically make your hair feel a lot softer. It also brings out the shine in your hair. So yeah, if you guys want to get your hands on a hair awakening growth oil from Stoney Hair, go ahead and go to stoneyhair.com. The link will be in the description. We are fully in stock and ready to ship out. Also, if you go to stoneyhair.com and sign up for the emailing list, you'll automatically get a free hair care guide PDF on growing your hair longer. This is starting to sound like a commercial now. But yeah, go to stoneyhair.com to order yours, and I will see you guys in another video.